Good morning, students. Today, with the lecture series of differential equation, we will start the normal reduction form of variable coefficient. We will continue with the variable coefficient method of to solve the differential equation. Variable coefficient means when the derivative, the coefficient of the derivative d2y dx2 dy dx multiply with x function of x square, x cube, x plus 1 and x. That type of differential equation we call differential equation with variable coefficient. Here we have done three methods to solve this type of equation. First is homogeneous method which is called Euler-Cauchy equation. Second is where we take homogeneous term and x is equal to e to the power z and log z converted x. Okay. Now, second is exact form. Exact form means we check the linear equation is exact or not. Exact form means we calculate P2 minus P1 dash plus P0 double dash is equal to 0. If this is exact, then we have the solution of this. Third is when one CF solution is known, means we have some condition, we have some uh, solution. If the equation PQ is satisfied this condition like 1 plus P plus Q is equal to 0, then we know the solution is e to the power x. Then P plus Qx is equal to 0, then we know the solution is y is equal to x. So these all we have covered in our lecture. Now we are going to start the normal reduction method. What is the normal reduction method? Uh, Actually, given differential equation with variable coefficient, we change in some particular uh, way to solve a linear equation. So solve a differential equation. This is called d2uv upon dx plus iv is equal to r upon pu. This type of equation is called reduction normal reaction d2v upon dx2 plus iv plus is equal to r upon u. So if we see the right hand side, this is the constant coefficient. So we can easily find out the CF and PI of this type of equation. So in this lecture, the objective of lecture to understand the solution by reduction to normal form method. Okay, and after this we have a quiz for you students. So this is very interesting concept to understand because maximum time in variable method we have to decide which method we have to apply in the exam. So this the variable coefficient method is basically a decision type in exam time to how to take the decision, how to you approach the question. If you identify in the exam you identify which method I can apply on this question, then you definitely done. But if that time you have confusion about the method, so this is very difficult for you in exam time. So each method should be very clear. Okay. So now let we start our lecture. Let we start our lecture. Yesterday we have done this type of equation like d2y dx square plus p dy dx plus qy is equal to r. If 1 plus E plus Q is equal to 0. That implies y बराबर e की पावर n is solution of C. And second, E plus Qx is equal to 0. That implies y is equal to n is a solution of now what we do, we take y is equal to uv is the solution and put this is the one solution. We take u is equal to x, here u is equal to put the value and so now and this dy upon dx d2y dx2 if we put in this equation. So in this equation is converting the per degree linear equation. But now reduction in would need normal form. Reduction to normal form. Let differential equation let d2y dx2 plus p dy upon dx plus qy is equal to r. Let y is equal to uv be the solution. We can write dy upon dx d2y dx2 u d2v dx2 plus du upon dx dv upon dx plus dv upon dx du upon dx plus v d2u dx. Okay. Here we do take solution v y is equal to uv. Then dy upon dx become u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. Similarly, d2y dx2 become u d2u d2v upon dx2 plus du dx dv dx plus dv dx du dx plus v d2u dx2. Now you can solve it to u plus 2 du dx dv dx plus v du d2y dx. This equation. Okay. Now now we put these values in 1. So this becomes d2v dx2 plus c plus q upon u du upon dx dv upon dx plus 1 upon u d2u dx2 plus c upon u du dx plus is equal to r upon. With the substitution of these values dy upon dx, d2y dx, we get this equation. Okay. Now, now, in order to remove the first derivative, in order to remove, here we remove this order, dv upon dx. Remove, remove first order. So, dv upon dx we cannot say 0. We put p plus 2 upon u du upon dx, du upon dx. Okay. So, we can find 2 upon u du upon dx is equal to minus implies du upon u is equal to minus p by 2 dx. So, log u minus p by 2 x. Okay, minus p by 2. We can say not right here dx. Okay, integration. So u is equal to become e to the power minus p by 2 dx, or we can say minus r to the power p dx. This is our value. This is our value of u. Now, very simple. We have to eliminate this first derivative. So put it 0 equal to 0. Here we take p this side, it converts minus, and du upon u is equal to minus p by 2 dx. So u is equal to, this becomes log u, log u is equal to integration minus p by 2 dx. So we get the u with this. Now, this is value of u we get. We keep it this side because this is very important for us. Now, to find the value of v, actually we have the solution y is equal to uv. Here we get u. Now we need to find out v. So, so for find the value of v d2u upon dx2 d upon dx minus half. Okay, we can write like this, u upon dx like this. So this becomes from here du upon dx we find from here du upon dx is equal to find here du upon dx is equal to minus pu upon 2p minus 3 sorry here d upon dx minus of p. So minus 2 by 2 dp upon dx minus 3 by 2 du upon. Okay. First term we first 1 by 2 is common, we can take dp upon dx minus p by 2 constant du upon dx with the UV formula. First and second we take. Okay, now put the value is now put the value using put this value we get d2v upon dx2 as 1 upon u dp upon dx. This is the value of du upon d2u upon dx2 minus p by 2 du upon dx plus p upon u du upon dx plus q is equal to r e to power of p d. Because here r upon u, you put the value of u and take upside with r. Okay. Now we multiply inside, so this becomes d2v upon dx2 plus q minus half dp upon dx minus 1 by 4 p square is equal to r e to power half. This is the way. Okay, now we can write IV is equal to R equal to N. This is equation is known as this is known as known the normal where I is equal to Q minus half Tp upon dx minus 1 by 4 S is equal to R e to power half Pd. Okay, this is the called normal form. Now, in practical question or problem, We directly find the value of u and put in this equation. This equation we always use for find out the solution. And directly I value of I we found out with this term q minus half dp upon dx minus p square by 4. Okay, I is equal to q minus half dp upon dx minus 1 by 4 e square, and s is equal to r and e to power into half integration pdx. So these are two we have to remind, and we directly put the value in exam or when we do the problem. Let's explain one problem. d2y dx2 minus 4x dy upon dx plus 4x square minus 1 y is equal to minus 3 e to the power x square sine d2y dx2 minus 4x dy upon dx plus 4x square minus 1y is equal to minus 3 e to the power x square sine 2. This is the question of exam. This question is asked in RTO class, Rajasthan University exam 2000. For solution, comparing the given equation with standard linear equation. Standard equation, what is the standard equation here? d2y dx2 qy is equal to r. Now p is equal to here, p is equal to minus 4x, p is equal to p minus 1, and r is equal to e minus 3 to the power x square. Now now we found dp upon dx. We need dp upon dx. dp upon dx is equal to now now we take the y is equal to uv is the solution of this given differential we take y is equal to u is the solution of a given differential equation. So then we will reduce given differential equation normal. Normal form. Normal form means d2v upon dx2 plus iv is equal to r in s. This called normal. Where we know I is equal to 2 minus 1 by 2 half 1 by 2 dp upon dx minus 1 by 4 t square, and s is equal to r e की power of integration p dx. Okay. First we find out u. 201 रुपए के शिपिंग चार्जेस, इसके साथ में भी ये पाउडर कोटेड. First we found u is equal to e to power minus half pdx. What is the value of pdx? E to power minus half integration minus 4x dx. So this becomes e to power is plus 2 x square by 2. So to cancel e to power, this is our value of value of now. Now we need now I is equal to 2 minus half dp upon dx minus 1 by 4 t square, and q is equal to minus what is value of q? Q is equal to 4x square minus 1 minus half dp upon dx is equal to minus 4, and p square is equal to 16x square by 4. So with the solution we get 4x square minus 1 plus 2 minus 4x. So minus x square cancel, it becomes 1. So we get I is equal to now s is equal to r e to power half pdx. R is given to us minus 3 e to power x square sin 2x with multiply e to power half p is equal to, we know p value is p is 4x, I think, minus 4x minus 4x dx. So we get minus 3 ax square sin 2x square sin 2x e this become minus 4x square by so here minus 3 e to the power x square sin 2x to 4 we cancel. This will become minus e to the power and e to the power x square and e to the power minus will become e to the power 0 so we get s is equal to now now these values we put in normal form. Normal form. We put the value of I as so become d square v upon dx square. I value we have 1 so 1 dot v and s is equal to 3 sin 2x. Now this is constant coefficient differential equation. So you can write d square plus 1 v is equal to minus 3 sin 2x. Here we found the auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation m square plus 1 is equal to 0. So m is equal to plus minus this form. So then the CF solution then here v is equal to a cos x plus b sin. Basically the solution when the root are imaginary become e to the power alpha x e to the power alpha x e cos beta x plus b sin beta x. But e to alpha is equal to 0 so this 1 is called it can give now pi d square plus 1 minus 3 sin 2 so minus 3 sin 2x we can put minus 2 square alpha square plus 1 sin 2x. So this is minus 3 sin 2x upon minus plus 3. This is convert minus sin. This is the p. Now value of v now now v is cf plus pl. So cf is equal to a cos x plus b sin x. plus minus sign a cos x plus b sin x minus sin 2. This is our view. Now, now we have the solution. We have y is equal to uv is the solution. So, put value of u and v. So, value of u we get y is equal to here u is equal to here u is equal to we find out e to power x square. So y is equal to e to power x square a cos x plus b sin x minus sin 2. This is the complete solution of. So friends, again we see the method. Very simple. First we compare the given differential equation with this. Find the p, q, r value. Then this is the normal form d square v upon dx square plus iv is equal to this. We find value of u by e to power minus of p dx. We get here e to power. So put the value of p is equal to minus 4x. Then we find out I with the help of this formula q minus half dq upon dx minus 4 1 upon 4 p square. Put the value and get I is equal to 1. Now s is equal to r e to power half p dx. So we put the value of this and get over sin 2 minus sin 2. So all put the value put in the normal form. Normal form. And this becomes the constant coefficient equation. Now we find the value of m. M is the imaginary, so the solution is a cos x plus b sin x. Now pi value. Then the sin alpha x. Alpha is equal to a 2. So we prepare at d square at minus alpha square. Okay. This is the complete solution of v. V is complete solution is cf plus pi. So we get a cos x plus b sin x minus sin 2. And the complete solution of given differential equation is u. So u we put e to power x square. This is the complete solution of this. Now we come to the students our quiz. Condition when the solution of y brought x to power m. This is non m minus 1 plus p mx plus qx cube. Okay, dy upon dx exponential x to power minus 1. Y. Then we replace e to power x, e to power minus y and y with the variable separation we get the value. In normal reduction, u, what is the value of u? U is equal to e to power minus of integration pdx. In this lecture we discuss about this method. Okay. If e to power mx is a solution when e to power mx is the solution when m 1 m square plus 2 pm plus q is equal to 50. And last, what is the value of s? S is equal to in s the terms come in the normal reduction form. Then r is upon u. So it convert in the r e to power half integration PDF. So students, this is very important concept. In new lecture, we will again discuss with this term and again taking the problem of this method. Thank you very much.